In this video, I will show you when and how to use an individualized attendance grid. The individualized attendance grid should be used for recording asynchronous learning activities, or when a student completes work or masters content on their own time. There are three methods for tracking time: the clock time model, the learner mastery model, and the teacher verification model. You can find out more about these in Section 6 of the Fiscal Year 21 Adult Education Provider Manual, which I've linked below. To enter attendance for students in an individualized attendance grid, you can either simply click the cell and enter the number of hours, or you can enter attendance for multiple students at a time by selecting the students, selecting the start date. You can either use the calendar, or you can simply type in the date. The only attendance code option that you have is 1, so you'll have to enter it hour by hour, but then you can click generate and it'll automatically populate those cells for you. If you've made a mistake and have to clear out the attendance grid, again, just select the dates that you want to clear, change the attendance code to FC, select all of the students, and then click generate again. To save the attendance, just click submit.